Yo, YouTube. So, like I said, the video is there. I'm gonna make it right now anyway. So, this is the Pedal Commander. Shout out to Pedal Commander for the sponsor. By the way, guys, if y'all wanna order it, y'all can use the code to have a discount, 10% discount. You know, SRT Tough. Y'all gonna see it somewhere. Okay. So this is the Pedal Commander. So the Pedal Commander is a little device inside. Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do the installation of the Pedal Commander in a Jeep. Okay. So yeah. Y'all who don't know what is the Pedal Commander, basically the Pedal Commander is for the throttle response. So you know, sometimes when you press on the gas, let's say maybe you are, oh, that's undercover police. Oh, yo, what the fuck? Yo, undercover police is insane, bruh. With a caravan, yo, that's crazy. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so guys, like I was saying before, the undercover was there. So is the Pedal Commander is for the throttle response. You know, sometimes when you press on the gas and you have like a delay. Everybody have a delay except for the electric car, obviously.
What do you mean by that?
When you press on the gas to go, you have like a little delay. But with that, is really like completely delete the delay that you have. It's gonna be really like instant. So you have like different mods. Like you got Eco, CD, Sport, and Sport Plus. Eco basically is like if you want to save some gas, and you can adjust to, depends of the mode that you choose. You can adjust like how much you want the device to react, or you know what I mean. It's really like, and you can also connect it to your phone too because it's Bluetooth. But shout out to Pedal Commander. We're gonna try it and I'm gonna show y'all how to install it. Okay. So guys, this is the result. You gotta connect one of the cables into the cables who was hanging, that the one that you disconnect from the pedal, and the other one you gotta connect it directly into the pedal. Okay. So let's try. Okay, YouTube, the installation is done. So y'all can see I got it in sport. You can choose whatever you want to place it. Okay, me, I choose to place it right here, so it's gonna be much easier. I just gotta put it like inside. So right now I'm in the sport mode. Let me show y'all. I'm in the sport mode right now. Let me rev it. I can tell it's a little difference, I ain't gonna lie. So let me just pull it like right here. Okay, so the Pedal Commander is in sport. I'm in sport, right? And I just revved it. It's aggressive, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all heard that? Okay, I'm gonna put it in track. Okay, let me put in Sport Plus. Basically is like track. Okay, I'm gonna put in 4 and let's try. Yo, is that me or that shit is like loud? Yeah, so we're gonna get into the road and just try a little bit. I'm gonna just put it back on CD like 3. I put it on automatic. So all right, so we're gonna hit the road, sorry, and yeah, we're gonna see. Okay guys, so let's hear it. All right. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I got it in sport. I'm in sport. So I'm at the red lights. We're going to see if we see a difference. even track, guys. It's just sport. Yo, I can tell, for real, guys, I can tell the response is really there. Like, I press on the gas pedal, immediately, like, the car respond. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. This shit's crazy. Yeah, this shit's crazy, yo. Oh my god. Yeah, I can tell. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's really a difference. It's really, look. Oh my god. Nah, that's insane. That is insane. Hey, Pedal Commander is a W, for real. Like, bro, I don't even have the words to talk. Like, it's really crazy. But yo, guys, on some for real stuff, I love that. I really love that, and I will recommend that for y'all. So remember, guys, if y'all want to get one, y'all can go on pedalcommander.com. Okay, I will put the link somewhere over there, or like in the bio, and y'all can use the code to have a discount. SRT Tough, to have a discount. I'll put the code somewhere up there. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.